nothing ever has had solutions, or you know, you can see people getting band-aids all the time, but to get solutions and to get rid of stuff completely is just fantastic. Anger, shame, grief. So anger, shame and grief cause my life to be more volatile at times than it needs to be. Shame, I just feel that I've maybe not trust fully, so I don't tell people and ask for help. And grief, there's been so many losses, but I have to know that it's okay. Losing people is part of life. Now I can't even really remember my first session with the video, so I'm not quite sure where the anger was coming from. The grief I've realised and released, and already my daughter came up, we had dinner, and part of the grief was saying goodbye as well. I've always found that a big issue. And I could say goodbye and give her a hug and not get teary, not say, oh, when are we seeing you again, or have that, I've got to not lose her. So that was beautiful. So grief was a big one. And the shame, I've held things in and not talked to people about things. Like, I know I should have gone to my parents about some things, but I just thought I was trying to save people that hurt and anger, but I kept it all myself. I'm not going to do that anymore. It's not worth it. And life is good. I actually think I've had a good life, and I'd like to give back to society, and I just found that this was like the missing piece of being able to really help people, not just put a band-aid on something, but give them some answers, and in doing so, finding out for myself that I can fix any issues and not have blocks and be the best person I could be. Yeah, if you're wondering, is it going to be the right thing for me? I've always sort of seen so many women, and there's so many issues that women have. You know, I might do 3 visits in a day, and 2 of them have terrible background of abuse or things, and they've seen psychologists, psychiatrists, they have therapists for this and that, but it's never fixed, and there's band-aids, 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 and that's what's put me off lots of things. This course, you get solutions and outcomes, if you can see those, fantastic. No more going back, being hooked into the poor me cycle for years. It's really fabulous. It's worth the time, effort, everything else. So yeah, just doesn't really come into it. If you want to do it, find the money to do it, you'll find it.